If you haven't been to the CTA website recently, check it out. There's an App Center page where you can now find links to the latest web applications to fit your individual transit needs. Got a smartphone? Here's a smart way to make the most of it. Download the latest transit mobile applications posted on the CTA website.
What we've started doing is to acknowledge the hard work of independent developers and help our customers find some of the nifty apps that are out there. Post a Transit App Center on transitchicago.com.
The CTA shares schedules, bus tracker information, and other data with software developers interested in developing public transit applications. The data is available on the CTA's Developer Center webpage.
The way that we share the data is to simply post it on our website. Now, if you want to get access to bus tracker information, you do need to register, but otherwise the data is free for anyone to download.
They have a developer program that's been out for a while now, which makes it really easy for developers to make their own apps.
Jacob Erickson is an assistant professor of computer science at the University of Illinois, Chicago. He developed the Transit Genie phone application for tourists and others unfamiliar with the CTA system.
You indicate where you want to go, and now Transit Genie will compute a number of different routes, how you can get there, using both the schedules of the various transit systems and the real-time location of buses. So then it'll compute routes based on all this information, figure out what's the easiest and quickest way to get there right now.
Transit Genie was developed as part of a UIC research project.
The app is free. As a researcher and professor, I get paid by a university and by various research funding agencies, so we don't need to charge our users for it.
This is really one of the nice things about the App Center. Basically, by sharing this data, people who are interested in the information are taking it and doing their own things with it. So it doesn't cost CTA or the public in general anything to have these apps developed.
The App Center has mobile apps for Android, BlackBerry, iPhone, and iPod Touch. The CTA doesn't create, license, or endorse any of the apps, though they are screened before inclusion on the webpage.
What we're doing is basically giving a little description of what each of these apps does and providing a link back to the software developer's website.
Tony demonstrates with an Android smartphone. All he has to do is snap a picture of the barcode on the screen and it's captured on the phone. It's that easy?
Yeah, it's that easy. And then you can look at the features, you can view other people's reviews, and install it.
It's not just mobile device applications you can find on the App Center. Web and desktop apps are available too.
Our hope is that the result of these efforts in all of these different groups of people is a really diverse array of applications that help all of our customers.
So far, there are more than 300 developers who have registered to use CTA data to design new transit software.